This is a love reading for you, Aries, for the month of July. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance looking for you and your love interest. You should note that this is a general reading and everything will not resonate with all Aries, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So let us see how are the cards. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, if you look at the cards, Aries, both of you have reverse cards or the cards which are upside down. So there is not really much happening in the relationship as I see. So the two of you could be doing more together. Also, I am seeing is that Aries, you are more caught up in work and don't have much time, and your partner is not very careful or makes a lot of financial mistakes. So the two of you have a lot going together in terms of learning or growing. So it's quite possible this relationship is very new and you both haven't experienced a high yet. So what is the strength or challenges you bring and your partner brings? Your strength is your very genuine Aries. When I see this guidance, it's telling me you connect on a very deep emotional level where there is a lot of honesty. So you connect on a very affectionate, honest level, and there is no mind game going on with you. So whatever you're telling your partner is exactly how you mean things or things are going to happen. When I see the strength and challenges for your partner, what he or she brings is he or she carries some certain sadness from the past. It is possible that your partner has lost a pet in the past, or he or she had a very bad breakup, or he or she was into drinking for whatever reason. So I'm just seeing a very painful energy your partner is bringing, which may be this could be a grief also, a grief of a death of a friend or somebody who moved away and was very close to them, or a loss of certain emotional connection on a very deep level. So, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, you see your partner as someone very successful, somebody who's very well liked by people, and he or she does travel a lot. So, you see your partner as very successful, somebody who you're very attracted to. This is also a guidance of somebody who may be a Ivy League. So I'm seeing your partner may have graduated from one of the best colleges and has a great career going. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who's very understanding, almost to the point of that you can be a psychic yourself, or you have a very deep clairvoyant or a very high intuition. So your partner sees you as very understanding with a very deep level ability to connect with people. So the connection is very strong for the two of you. Now, what is the hope and fear the two of you bring? Let us see. In the hope and fear I'm seeing is the two of you are not sure how to move ahead in this relationship. I'm seeing here is Aries, you are right now not addressing certain concerns the two of you may have together, or there may be certain worries in the relationship which you both are not addressing. About your partner, I'm seeing is your partner tends to go very fast about certain things, and he or she is right now feeling that this journey may not be meant for long term. The reason of unsurety about the future together is maybe the two of you have experienced newness in the relationship. The two of you are very new or are yet to getting to know each other. So lot of promises have not been made, lot of long term plans have not been made. So the two of you should give each other lot of time, or give this relationship lot of time. What is the past you both are coming from? So in the past I'm seeing is you've had lot of flings, or you've had lot of people you were involved with, Aries, and it was nothing long term. So you can be a player lot of times in when it comes to just getting someone in love, and you may not have your commitment in place, but you do have your heart and emotions in place. So I'm just saying that you did fall for a lot of people, but there was nothing serious or long term that happened in the past. Your partner is coming from a very happy energy from the past. He or she has enjoyed a happy family while growing up. It is quite possible, when I see this guidance and I see this guidance, it's looking to me that your partner may have been divorced or separated. So that's how the guidance I'm getting for your partner. So, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? One I'm seeing is in this guidance, Aries, the two of you are not sure how to move ahead in the relationship. So you both are taking fair amount of time. So the two of you are taking fair amount of time getting to know each other and taking small steps forward. You both are not rushing ahead in the relationship. So that's what I'm seeing. And that's also the guidance that if you're not sure, check back with your friends that should I move ahead, or check back with your heart that do you really feel committed or loved enough to keep moving ahead. So the two of you should give time and maybe move slow in this relationship. So this is the guidance for you, Aries, for you and your partner for the month of July.